मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंडुलकरच्या शिरपेचामध्ये आज आणखी एक मानाचा तुरा रोवला गेलाय। ऑस्ट्रेलियन सरकारचा मानाचा ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया हा किताब सचिनला देण्यात आलाय। मुंबईमध्ये झालेल्या एका शानदार सोहळ्यामध्ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया सरकारमधले मंत्री सायमन क्रीन यांच्या हस्ते सचिनला हा पुरस्कार प्रदान करण्यात आलाय। सचिनच्या क्रिकेटमधल्या योगदानाबद्दल त्याचा हा गौरव करण्यात आला। ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया हा ऑस्ट्रेलियातल्या मानाचा नागरी किताब समजला जातो। ऑस्ट्रेलिया बाहेरच्या व्यक्तींना हा किताब अगदी क्वचित देण्यात आलाय।
Actually, it feels great, but at the same time, I laugh in my mind. You know why? So because they all believe that this is my last trip. I'm glad I was there again. You know, and after 2007, how I couldn't be there in Australia in 2011. It's such a wonderful sport to play cricket. In fact, I have to say it publicly now that away from India, it is the best sport I've enjoyed playing cricket. And away from India, my favorite ground is also Sydney. I think these two things are so dear to me, and they've given me they've left with me such fond memories. Especially Sydney Cricket Ground, where also I got an opportunity to hold Sir Don's cricket bat which he had used. So it takes a step further in my liking for Australia and Sydney Cricket Ground. I came across so many Australians who said, Australia is going to crash you, but we want you to score 100. So such is the reception that and the affection that I received from all the Australians, which will be with me forever. I know we will be playing a series in a couple of months, which will be again closely fought and fiercely fought in the right spirit of the game. I just want to finally take this opportunity to thank all the Australians and the Honourable Prime Minister for conferring this award on me. It really means a lot to me, and who knows, I might be again to Australia again to play cricket, or maybe just as a tourist because I love that sport. Thank you once again.